Alright, so here we're gonna show how we could customize the splash page and how we could actually update our add images. Okay, so alright, so create something new, to the moderate one, copy, alright, and we click on the edit. So let's see, you wanna upload a new image. You can see the images here. So how to reference this image, alright? So we have the continue, it's easier to see with the test code. Alright, so here. Alright, and you could see it got referenced directly here. Definitely you'll have to add the CSS and all that stuff. You could add them directly inside the HTML, or you could update the .css file. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. That will be really helpful. Thank you.